Hello guys, let's have a quick technical analysis on Bitcoin versus USD dollar. This is day chart for BTCUSD. Recently, Bitcoin has rebounded quite aggressively, but on 18th of August, actually I have published a video about the BTCUSD. The title was "Should you jump into long BTCUSD?" At Wave Theory explained. I have actually predict this rebound in that video. So if you want double check my that video on published on 18th of August. So we can just show you my drawing with day chart. What's next? Should you jump in now or should you wait? So let's go through with the first trending line here. There's a very important trending line started from this point. Then you can see the trending. It touched once, second, here also, but there are some noises behind it, below it. But just let's regarding it as noise. And then you can see the rebound. The rebound just under the trending line here. It didn't really cross it, or didn't even try to cross it. That's one thing. In order to go a little bit more up, the trend has to break this trending line, go above it. But right now, we don't see it. That's one thing. And second, what I did with at wave theory, I did analysis on the starting point from here, 31,800 something from here. And you can see that there are three waves, 1, 2, 3. So this, when I did the previous video, it was here. I already predicted there will be a false wave. And then when you got the false wave here, you need to check if the false wave will touch the second wave's bottom. If not, there is another fifth wave waiting for us. So if you want to long the BTCUSD, this is not the right time. You have to be patient waiting for the fifth wave. And then after the fifth wave, you can compare the ratio about the fifth wave and third wave. If you use a tool called Fibonacci extension, I can show you right away here. As you can see now, if the fifth wave will go around 25,000 and then stopped, got support, then it's a good entry point from here. So waiting for the fifth wave to jump in to long it if you want long it. All right, that's the quick update.